Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide following list on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide following list on Instagram, first we'll be required to open the Instagram app. So let's do that and open the Instagram app. And after landing over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon on a circle. Tap on over there, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on over there, and you'll be required to scroll down until you can see the account privacy. Here you can see guys the account privacy. Under the category you can see your content. Tap on account privacy, and before proceeding guys, you need to know one thing, that is you will be only able to hide following list on your Instagram account by making your account private. So to do that, tap on the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then your account will be made private. By doing that, your following list on the Instagram will be hidden. And then this is how to hide following list on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.